My name's Leslie Regan and I'm chair of the charity Wellbeing of Women. I visited one of the Harris Academy schools in South London, and we've been hosting a workshop which was attended by our patron, the Duchess of Edinburgh, and we've been talking about just a period. The period campaign that Wellbeing of Women, the charity, has been spearheading to try and get menstrual periods to be talked about on a day-to-day basis for girls and women. I think the workshop Tanya gave to us was really helpful, but particularly the last part of the workshop where we invited some of the boys from the academy to come and join us, and we did a myth-busting session. It was very interactive, and we had the Duchess of Edinburgh and all the boys and girls really participating, wanting to be part of it. And I think what they're telling me now as we finish this morning's session is that they found it fun and they're no longer frightened by something that happens to girls and to women 12 times a year for nearly 40 years of their life, and that's exactly how it should be.
I found the period intervention very interesting. I think it really removed like the taboo and like the stigma behind it.
I think the session was really great because everyone was super open about their own struggles, and I think it's really nice to have an open discussion because it doesn't happen super often to do with like periods and stuff.
And I think what was really good about the session as well is that we had a diverse amount of people. Like there was people from year 12, year 11, older people, and yeah, it was just a really good experience.
Young people were really engaging, and from the feedback from the young people, they all learned something. So for me, as long as somebody has a takeaway from the session, it means that the job was done.